Welcome back, gardeners. Today we'll quickly cover the essentials of preparing and planting romaine lettuce, so you can get started with confidence. Start by choosing high-quality seeds or healthy starter plants. Look for organic seeds or starter plants with strong roots and vibrant green leaves. This gives your romaine the best chance to thrive. Romaine lettuce needs rich, well-drained soil. Mix in some organic compost to boost fertility and ensure proper drainage. This step is crucial for healthy growth and preventing root issues. Plant seeds about 1/4 inch deep and space them 6 to 8 inches apart. If you're using starter plants, space them 10 to 12 inches apart and plant them at soil level. Water gently and consistently to keep the soil moist. With these simple steps, your romaine lettuce is off to a great start. Stay tuned for more tips on growing and caring for your garden. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening advice. Happy planting!